Hi viewers, how are you? Welcome to the our channel. Today our topic is the video Dollar Tree table decoration ideas. You are watching different ideas of the Dollar Tree table decoration, Christmas decoration ideas. You are watching the beautiful glass decoration, table decoration, Dollar Tree table decoration ideas. You are watching beautiful flower and glass candle uh, based table decoration. You are watching the rose, purple and white theme. You are watching the tree shaped decoration, table decoration. You are watching the glass and beautiful decoration ideas. You are watching beautiful Dollar Tree table decoration. You are watching two different tables. You are watching the floating flower centerpiece. You are watching DIY centerpiece table decoration idea. You are watching the glass based table decoration centerpiece and table decoration, Dollar Tree table decoration. You are watching the lotus flower and glass bowl. You are watching beautiful candle holder centerpiece table decoration ideas. You are watching another idea of the Dollar Tree table decoration. You are watching another candle holder glass and you are watching the blue and white theme rose flowers table decoration. You are watching the Dollar Tree table decoration. You are watching the pearl and floating candle uh, table decoration ideas. You are watching unique idea of the candle light decoration table decoration with rose flowers and glass. You are watching three glasses pink rose. You are watching another idea of gold theme table decoration. You are watching pink rose table decoration idea. You are watching white flower and glasses table decoration ideas. You are watching candles and rose flowers. You are watching the round shape and blue flowers. You are watching the some plants and candles. You are watching the beautiful candle